Yes, it is. It's great. Come and see.
Okay, can I play it now? Look, Dot, there are two kids, a boy and a girl, and they can see us and hear us. Hey girl, can you hear me? What's your name?
Me. My name is Bella. Who are you?
We're the songbirds, we're the singers in this video game. My name's Dot. And my name's Pet. What's your name, boy?
I'm Jet. I'm Bella's brother.
Great. Listen, kids, can you help us? We've got a problem.
We can't help you, Dot. We are not in the video game. You are.
Listen to the problem. The Blackhead game have got our brother Huck and Tom.
Wow, the black hat gun.
Yeah, and the black hats are your cities.
And we can help you to find them.
Right, listen, we can play the game, but you can find Huck and Tom.
Ah, okay. What can you do?
Okay, Zach, we've got the two singers.
Yeah, but what can we do with them? We haven't got the plan.
Pet and Dot can find us in this game and the police can catch us.
We can put the singers in the car and go to the airport. The plan is at the airport, remember.
Very good, Zach. Is good plan. Let's go to the airport.
Okay. Police. Go. This is a message to the police in this video game.
Hey John, we've got a message.
What's the message?
The black hats
And they're here and the airport.
but we're here too and we're ready for them.
Here's the plans. Quick, put the singers in it. Oh no, the police are here. Huh?
Stop, Zach, I've got your mouth. And I got the Jake.
I like it.